November is the month when I came back to YouTube and post videos consistently, guys. And here's what happened to my YouTube analytics, especially the part of revenue. So if you're someone who is looking to see how small YouTube content creators here in the Philippines with 11,000 subscribers earn, guys, how much I've earned, then this video is for you. In November, I wanted to commit myself in making sure that I will be uploading consistently on a weekly basis, and of course also create some shorts videos every day. And that is because I have a goal of becoming a full-time content creator and at the same time full-time business owner. And to do that, I have to start going back to post video. Hi, my name is Val and I create negosyo video tips, creative ways on how to do business. So if you're someone who is looking for that kind of content, guys, then you are in the right channel, so be sure to subscribe. I work full-time and at the same time I do have a side business, running an events planning, wedding planning, and at the same time a digital product. And those are actually something that I will be sharing in the future on the insights of running a business and at the same time working full-time. Now, here's actually what happened, which I will be showing to you later on, my analytics. And at the end of the video, I will be sharing with you my strategy. So hopefully you will be sticking up until the end so you will learn how I did it. So first, I'll go to the YouTube studio where we could find our YouTube analytics, guys. And then here's in the analytics, then change this to the month of November. So here's what happened to my channel. For the overview, I've gained 8.6k views, and that's 56% more than the October or from the previous month. So meaning I'm more than half or more than 50% of the increase of the views in my channel. And then for the watch time hours, I've got 28% more, and I've gained 66 subscribers for the month of November, 154% compared to October, so which is now in the revenue, I've earned for that month of 861 pesos and 44 cents. And here's are the videos that I created, guys. So I created 4 long form videos which is uploaded every Saturday, so 1 video every week. And then I use an AI tool to cut it into shorts. So for the shorts, I'm scheduling them to be uploaded using the Metro Cool every day. So once I created 1 video, long form video, I use an AI to cut shorts and upload it every day. So if you notice, I'm consistently posting that videos here. So and you would see nga meron talaga siyang spike every time na upload ako ng mga videos. So it really helps to be consistent in uploading. Now, these are actually the top content in this period, which is my goal is to ensure na talagang yung mga new and recent videos ko yung magtatap as always. So number 1 is yung how I sell my digital products. Then next is Loivers. Loivers is a year ago na video, guys, and still increasing yung views niya. Then this one is the recent as well. This is an old video and some of them are old, but at least yung top video ko dyan is yung most recent from the November. Then for the content, you see you can identify the videos, the long form videos, and then the shorts. So let's go for the videos. You see I have uploaded 4 videos in here and I've gained 6,000 views, impressions 61.2. And if you would notice, guys, yung percentage talaga ng increase is more than 50%. So my strategy here is actually working aside from uploading consistently, and I will be sharing with you the other strategy that I did here. Then for the shorts, of course, taas talaga siya, shown in feed, likes, and then I still gain, though it's 3 subscribers. So uploading shorts is helpful din pala. Now on the videos part, if you notice, okay, these are the top 4. I think top 4 siya. And mostly they are yung month ng November ko sa YouTube search, meaning yung SEO dito na ginamit ko are really working because 50% is actually coming from YouTube search. And then browse features is something na promote siya in the homepage of the viewers. Then we have external suggested. Now for the audience, purple is for the returning viewers. New viewers are the blue one. So if you notice, my videos are coming from being searched. So maybe this is the reason kaya mataas yung new viewers, because those people that are searching my content, those are actually new to my channel. So it's still a decent amount of returning viewers here. That's 401. That's 14% more. And then the unique viewers, and then again 66 subscribers, guys. And then here goes the fun part, the revenue. So overall earning that I did is 861 pesos and 44 cents. Yes, that's very transparent, guys. That's the whole amount I've earned for November. For the long form videos, I've earned, or that is actually 849 and 49 cents. For the short feeds, I've earned 11 pesos and 94 cents. I know it's a small one, but you know, if you keep doing what's really giving you good results in your strategy, then I believe mag-i-increase pa ito, guys. I wouldn't be clicking the supers and gifts because I haven't turned it on for my subscribers. So most of my income are coming from the watch page ads, so meaning hindi yung mga premium accounts. But I've also earned from the YouTube premium users, yung mga nagbabayad ng monthly premium, guys. So I've earned 7 pesos and 83 cents. These are the earning ad type that I've earned. And for how much the advertisers pay me, so in every 1K views, that's 267 and 37 cents on average. Now, since I already showed you the transparency of my YouTube analytics, guys, let's dive into my strategy. So my number one strategy there is to create a schedule that works for me. That's for dedicating a filming day. So today it's what? Thursday. I dedicating a day to film this video right now, and then of course an editing day, because those are actually the two that is going to eat up your time. Most likely when I edit the video, I've spent 2 hours or more of that creating the thumbnail, uploading, and then of course editing the shorts. I mean, I use the AI tool, but I have to schedule those 10 shorts in one go, so that's gonna eat up around 3 to 4 hours for this YouTube content creation. Now, number 2 is to have a scheduled posting day. So you have to stick with your scheduled posting day. So for me, I'm sticking to upload 1 video every Saturday, so which means from Monday to Friday, I have to do of all the tasks that I have to do for me to be able to achieve the Saturday goal of uploading. Meaning, for the whole week, create lang ako ng content to make sure I will have something to upload on Saturday. Number 3 is I studied the strategy of other content creators. So I've learned from the other creators that there's actually secrets to hooks. So if you are in YouTube, so that's something you really have to search as well. Ang ingay ng aso ko. Then you also have to learn the script writing, because to me, when I create the content, guys, I wanted to write down what I wanted to say that will highlight the key points of each videos. Actually, yung laptop ko nasa side ko because I'm looking at some key points or keywords that I wanted to highlight. Not every words that I wanted to say is being scripted. It's just that when I sit down and create this script writing, it is something that in my head na dapat isulat ko para I won't forget. And that's what I'm looking at on my laptop, because I wanted to see ano ba yung mga susunod na sasabihin ko, so I won't forget. I won't forget some important things na okay, I have to include what I have done, what are my strategy, what is the next thing na tip na ibibigay ko sa inyo. So some sort of like that. Now, number 4 is I've learned also the SEO and using an AI tools. Yes, guys, AI tools is very helpful if you wanted to be a YouTube content creator. Bakit ang bilis ko magsalita? It's because I'm running out of time. Okay. So let me slow down. You will have to learn the SEO, search engine optimization, or you really have to look or use an AI tool that will help you create your title to make it, eye-catchy, that will be relevant to your thumbnail. So there's actually a lot of things that has to be combined, and I'm not expert in that. I am still learning, so that's why I'm sharing to you guys the progress. And then for the SEO, it has to be also in your description. So something in your description as well. So I think it is actually working well because, so let me share it to you guys. Hold on. So if we will go to my channel, let me show you how this the SEO really works. Struggling in business. So this one earned 680 views in 11 days, and for me that's actually a great numbers because 680 views is not that easy to gain for 11 days. But you see, for the 3 weeks for this video is 748 views, but compared to this, only 100 views differ, and it's only 11 days. 1 week differs from each other. Now let me see what's here. Now using the TubeBuddy, guys, I'm able to see my SEO score, and let me see if there's any rank tags in here. Okay, wala siyang rank tags, but this is the SEO score that I gained. So you see tags in the title and description, that's 10/20. You would actually see here the score, guys, the tags, title. Ang katinang lalamunan ko, honestly, title words. So meaning in here how it is being relevant to the video. So sa mga title ko dyan, so may score ako na 10/20. For my description, ito guys, just to be honest with you, si AI yung gumawa ng aking description, but of course I gave the AI the idea, lagay niya sa description. So I've informed him ano ba yung content ng video ko, and that's what he did here. So yeah, I think I did very well on those things. So yun lang yung magandang nangyari sa akin, and those are actually the strategy that I've learned from the other content creator like Millie, Modern Millie. By the way, I'm a huge fan of her. I've learned her strategy from my recent videos, and I think her strategy really works. So I will continue to monitor this journey, guys. So if you wanted to be part of that journey, please go ahead and subscribe now. Be part of my community so we can actually grow, and I will keep improving, learning, grow myself, because my end goal here is to become a full-time content creator. So be sure to subscribe to be part of my journey. And if you wanted to learn more strategy that works for me, of course I will still be continuing to share that with you every month. So every month I will be creating this kind of series on what is going on with my YouTube. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, and I will see you on the next one. Bye guys.